Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use bonus on Betwinner. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Betwinner account. To do this, you click on register. Next, you're going to click on full. Then you're going to enter all the required information. Then at the promo code section, you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 200% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is to click on your menu icon at the bottom right, and first of all you have to make a deposit. So you have to click on the deposit icon at the top right. Next, you're going to find out the deposit method and you proceed to a successful deposit into your Betwinner account. Once you have done that, you're going to head back behind, and what you're going to do is simply to go to popular, then to select any matches with an odds superior to 1.3. So like here, you're going to click on this match and click on add to bet slip. Now you're going to click on your bet slip icon, and now you're going to place the bet of all the money, including your bonus money that you have gained during your deposit using the promo code said previously. So once you have done that and that you have placed a bet including all your money and the bonus money, you are going to click back on popular. Then you are going to wait that the outcome should be correct. Now once the outcome is positive, all the money including the bonus money you have won will be sent directly into your main account. So once it is in your main account, you are going to click on the menu icon, and next you are going to click on your setting icon at the top right. Then you are going to scroll and click on withdraw from account, and directly to make a complete withdrawal from any payment method to cash out all the money including your bonus money and you're earning directly from your Betwinner account. It is as easy as that.